Thank you very much, Michael, for introduction, and thank you all for joining us here today. I am very excited to have the opportunity to share with you a vision for ICL Food Specialties business and its key growth and innovation elements. Let me start with few comments on Phosphate Specialties' robust business performance, of which ICL Food Specialties is a significant contributor. Over the last 3 years, ICL Phosphate Specialties increased EBITDA by 35% from $110 million to $149 million, significantly expanding margin from 10% to 13%. Such substantial value generation has been achieved despite challenges in our market environment. Thanks to our customer-centric business model and continuous focus on innovation, we have been successful to decouple our performance from commodity cycles. We have a solid plan to continue strong performance and bring EBITDA to $300 million by 2025. Let me now briefly introduce end markets we cater with our ICL Food Specialties business. For meat and seafood processors, we provide solutions to enhance taste, mouthfeel, but also economics of their products. There is no meat or seafood processors in this world who would not know about Tari or Brifisol brands. For processed cheese manufacturers, our Yoha is one of the most preferred solutions to manage texture and shelf life. When talking about leavening in bakery, there is no way around Levona or Bake that help products rise during baking. It is the proven performance of our solutions and brands with more than 70 years of history, combined with deep expertise around functional ingredients, that drive leading position across our core end markets with more than 20% market share. We continue innovating not only to keep the leading position in our core markets, but also to create new business opportunities in recently disruptive market of vegan, vegetarian, and flexitarian. Here we focus on delivering desired mouthfeel and appearance for the alternative protein products to perfectly mimic their traditional animal-based counterparts. For infant nutrition, we ensure the premium organic quality for infant formula. Balanced spread of our $560 million food specialties business among core end markets of meat, dairy, bakery, and nutrition, as well as broad geographic reach, create a base for a strong business performance that is resilient to market risks and macroeconomic situations. One of the key differentiating factors from competition is our truly global footprint. It enables us to partner with processed food companies wherever they may need our support. We are one of the few food ingredients companies having not only a broad network of sales offices, but also 5 innovation and application centers in 5 continents, 11 production plants in 9 countries, and a network of more than 100 food experts. Such an asset base helps our customers to translate global trends to local needs in over 90 countries worldwide. Carefully listening to our customers, and we talk to 2,500 customers globally, we hear the need to address following consumer trends: more healthy and organic food, more affordable food, especially in emerging markets, longer shelf life to limit the food waste, more protein, and overall better, more appealing and tasting food. It is the essence of our customer-centric business model to address these trends in joint partnership with our customers, providing them with unique solutions, leveraging our access to variety of functional ingredients, and our expertise applying them. This joint innovation is what our customers value when working with ICL Food Specialties. Long-term, consumer megatrends like growth of natural food across the world, special diets, convenience and sustainability are posing challenges to food industry. Thanks to our technological backbone around functional ingredients and global asset base, ICL Food Specialties will leverage these megatrends for new exciting growth. Let me start with protein stabilization. I am sure you have noticed a disruption that alternative proteins brought recently to food industry. We are excited about our Rovitaris alternative protein portfolio that meets this demand. We developed and continue improving a broad range of plant-based meat and cheese alternatives, which we already successfully commercialized. Our solutions play also a unique role in a very attractive market of on-the-go beverages, bringing their protein content to always higher levels that consumers demand. In these high-growth end markets of protein stabilization, we target for growth of $100 million over the next 5 years. Regarding emerging markets, we see a different trends. Utilizing local raw materials to produce affordable food, as well as increasing safety of food products, are the key industry challenges, especially in light of increasing population. ICL Food Specialty Solutions help our customers to meet these demands. In addition to products, we support new food producers entering industry with technical, processing and application know-how, and even training their operators. In addition to products, we support new food producers entering the industry with technical, processing and application know-how, and even training and educating their operators. By leveraging proximity of ICL Food Specialties to emerging markets, we plan to generate growth of $80 million over the next 5 years. Focused expansion to meet increasing demand for healthy and organic food will generate $60 million growth over the next 5 years. Our infant food business, as well as solutions to effectively reduce sodium levels in processed food, are the key enablers for this. As a next, I would like to share with you a bit closer look on our activities around Rovitaris solutions for plant-based meat substitutes, which we are really excited about. We have not seen in a long time a trend that would disrupt food industry in a similar way to currently ongoing shift from animal to plant-based protein consumption. Our customers, who aim to cater these booming trends of flexitarian, vegetarian, and vegan consumers, in general search for solutions across 3 major categories: poultry and fish substitutes, ground beef substitutes, and emulsified product substitutes. As a leading functional ingredients provider, ICL Food Specialties developed exciting solutions for each of these 3 categories. For chicken nuggets, fish sticks, and seafood substitutes, we developed the proprietary solutions around our fiber technology. Our fiber technology is unique thanks to its fibrous texture and natural white color, mimicking the poultry and fish structure without compromising appearance, mouthfeel, or taste. For burgers, meatballs, or taco meat, we launched textured solutions. Value proposition of our texturates is their excellent binding properties while having simple and clean labeling requirements. The uniqueness of this technology was also recognized by receiving a prestigious FIE 2019 Innovation Award in Paris. We round up our plant-based meat Rovitaris portfolio with emulsions. Emulsions help our customers to manufacture hot dogs, deli meat, sausages with snappy bite while easy to implement in their existing manufacturing. However, we have to look beyond next 5 years. We at ICL Food Specialties believe that today's dynamic world of ever-changing consumer preferences create great opportunity for us. Leveraging our core strengths around deep ingredients know-how, access to broad network of more than 2,500 customers, strategic partnerships, let it be with suppliers or customers, and joint cooperation with startups, we have built a powerful front-end innovation engine. Front-end innovation engine with a dedicated organization delivers cutting-edge technology ideas that will position us for further growth acceleration in long-term horizon. To share some of the exciting things we are working on, for example, natural but functional clean label ingredients, upcoming novel and more sustainable protein sources, or valorization of the low-value side streams from the food production. Continuing innovation around relevant trends will position ICL Food Specialties for long-term sustainable growth, outperforming average growth of processed food ingredients market. Now, please allow me to summarize our growth vision for next 5 years. Leveraging our strong fundamentals, we will focus innovation around protein stabilization, new protein sources, and our exciting Rovitaris plant-based meat alternative portfolio. This combined together with solutions for emerging markets and new portfolio for improved health and well-being food products. With this focused innovation in high growth areas, supported by bolt-on M&As, we plan to grow our food business close to $1 billion sales by 2025. As we will enter into more attractive food markets, EBITDA margins will expand from current 11% to 18%, doubling EBITDA contribution. But what is exciting is not next 5 years. The really exciting news I would like to share with you is that by executing this growth plan, we are simultaneously building an innovation engine that will further accelerate our long-term growth. We expect this infrastructure to enable us delivering double-digit growth in specialty products beyond 2025. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'm very happy to answer your questions during the Q&A session.